come here. You've taken the guts and come here. Really thankful for that. And we will start the game now. The game will be very easy. We can say 1, 2, 1, 2 like that. 1. One person we need. Can you please come? One more volunteer we need.
City Father, please come on stage.
Thank you so much. All ones here, all twos here, please. All ones here, all twos here. Like this line. You need to be opposite to the other person. Yes. All ones here, all twos here. You just shake hand, your partner. You just shake hand, your partner. You have, yes, it's able now. The material is coming down. Properly, the game property is coming down. There will not be any strict rules, but you need to be fair in this game. Okay? When I say shoulder, you need to. When I say head, when I say knee, when I say cup, you need to go for and grab the cup. Okay? Whoever gets the more point, that team is the winner. Am I clear in the instructions? Awesome. All the best. When I say CUP, what do you do? Yeah, only when I say cup, you will be lifting the cup. If I say CUP, can we start the game? So before that, when you do the strategy for the game, I would like to speak with all the audience. All the audience, my request is, for example, if you are tying a watch, when I say all people, all parents who are wearing the watch, if I say, you say hooray. Will that be fine? Everyone who is wearing the watch. Hip hip. Thanks a lot. Now, the audience who drink tea. Hip hip. Okay, maybe tea people are very less over here. Let's check it out. The people who drink coffee. Okay. Hope you will be competing against the tea people. Let's see. The audience who are having the coffee, hip. All the European parents, hip. Awesome, this is the energy we require. Let's start the game. So please take your time. Are we ready? This is just a trial round. There will not be any point. After this, 3 rounds will be there. Okay? This is just a trial round. Just to make sure everyone is on the same page. Okay? Head. Shoulder. Head. Knee. Head. Cup. Okay, let me please have. The number we need to see. This time, 1, 2, 3. You can take this. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can just show the cups. 1, 2, 3. So this time, the winning is this one. Okay, we call it as 1 and 2. Will that be fine? Team number 1, team number 2. You can take it back. Do you want some time to strategize? You want to discuss within yourself, or can we go with the flow? We can go with the flow, right? I really love the energy you have, parents. Thank you so much. Yeah. Ready? CUP. Penalty match was there. Okay, that's fine. Awesome. Come. So one will get the marks over here, please. You are one. You are one and two. First one was trial. Can we go for 5 rounds? Is it okay? Okay, first round. Buddy, I need support. In the first round, team number 1 has won. Okay, 1 point. Congratulations. Now let's go for head. Awesome. Knee. Shoulder. Now I need an opinion from the partners over here. Can I do some more exercise like this? Are you happy? Are you happy for that? Awesome. Next time your turn also comes, then they will also look into you. That's good. Yes. Knee. Shoulder. Head. Cut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Good job. 1, 2, 3. So this round also. Yes. In the second round as well, team number 1 wins. Awesome. All the best. Strategize. That's why I asked in the first. Do you want to strategize? Do you want to shuffle? Your choice. You want to go with the same flow? See, few people have taken their side or this side. That also you can see. Come on. Head. Shoulder. Knee. Head. I'm really sorry for making you to exercise like this. Now, come. What's the result now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my goodness. 1, great. Okay, next one. Next one. Awesome, 6. Okay, this will be the last one. This will be the last one. Then we will start the celebration here. Already the celebration started as well. Thanks a lot for cheering up. Now, head. Knee. Head. Come. Finally, we strategize and this team also won. Okay. Now we have a participation goodie. Thanks a lot for the participation. You can keep the cup over here. And please stand. Please stand here. We have a participation goodie. Please come, sir. Please. Started the celebration with the power packet activity, I believe. If it is yes, say yes. Thanks a lot for the cooperation. Thank you. Thanks a lot, dear parents. We really love your energy. Thank you. Now, fasten your seatbelts and ready for the next activities as well. Okay? We formally starting the function, starting the celebration now. The one and all who are present here, thanks a lot.
One and all, everyone present here. We are thrilled to have you in the most awaited event of the year. For us to see such moral support from all of you. Thank you, parents. We extend a red carpet welcome to our parents, invitees, well-wishers and friends. Thank you so much everyone for joining us. Let's begin this ride.
Good morning, parents. instructions of teachers and volunteers at all times. We request your cooperation in maintaining silence and discipline so every child can perform with confidence. Parents are requested to wait until the program concludes before leaving the venue. Washrooms are on the ground floor next to the entry to the wall. So now I would like to call our children for the prayer from different programs. Arnav, Rakul, Rajvi, Isa, Yashvik, Hita, Chaindrika, Satvika, Adrika, Adam and Akyan. Please give them a round of applause.
Hello.
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा तायि शारदे लोकपूजिते ज्ञानदाते नमोस्ते
By our different programs, you fill the hall with peace and positivity. We'll move on to lighting up the lamp. Parents, to light up the lamp for inaugurating our first annual day celebration.
माझं घर तुला साजे, घरातली इडापिडा बाहेर जाऊ दे, बाहेरची लक्ष्मी घरात येऊ दे, घरच्या सर्वांना उदंड आयुष्य सुख समाधान शांती लाभू दे. शुभं करोति कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदा शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योति नमोऽस्तु ते. दिव्या दिव्या रे दीपत्कार कानी कुंडल मोतीहार दिव्याला पाहून नमस्कार तिळाचे तेल कापसाची वार दिवा तेवे देवा पाशी उजेड पडे विष्णू पाशी. माझा नमस्कार सर्व देव देवतांपाशी. ये ग लक्ष्मी बैस ग बाजे माझं घर तुला साजे. घरातली इडापिडा बाहेर जाऊ दे, बाहेरची लक्ष्मी घरात येऊ दे, घरच्या.
Thank you, grandparents.
शुभम.
May I now call upon Mrs. Radha, our principal, to come forward and share a few words with our dear parents.
Respected parents, teachers, non-teaching staff, and my dear lovely children. A very warm welcome to you all to the first annual day celebration of Eurokids Mugeshpalya. Today is a very special and memorable day for all of us. We celebrate our children under the beautiful theme, Little Hands, Big Change. Our tiny children may have little hands, but they have big dreams, kind hearts, and great potential to change the world. Every smile, every small act of sharing, and every question they ask shows us how powerful they truly are. At Eurokids Mugeshpalya, we believe in nurturing the overall development of every child along with learning ABCs and numbers. We focus on values, confidence, creativity, and independence. Dear parents, today you will see your children perform confidently on the stage. Please encourage them with your warm applause as it means the world to them. I sincerely thank our dedicated teachers for their love, patience, and hard work. And I would also like to thank our non-teaching staff for their constant support, care, and effort. And I thank our supportive parents for their trust and cooperation. Dear children, always remember your little hands can make big change in this world. Keep learning, keep smiling, keep believing in yourself. Thank you all for being part of our celebration. Enjoy the program. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. That was truly motivating. When children perform on stage, it builds self-confidence and self-esteem. Let's once again welcome our annual day celebration at Eurokids Mugeshpalya. Welcome, parents. Today, our little stars will take you to a magical journey filled with joy, music, and a message close to our hearts, saving our planet. Please welcome our wonderful stars for the welcome dance in the form of Ganesh Vandana. Chirayu, Ira, Venpa, Yanit, Sai, Nandan, Hita, Rajvi, Chaitrika for the welcome dance.
गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि गानचतुराय गानप्राणाय गानान्तरात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानमत्ताय गानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैव दैवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने गुरुविक्रमाय गुह्यप्रवराय गुरवे गुणगुरवे गुरुदैत्यकलक्षेत्रे गुरुधर्मसदाराध्याय गुरुपुत्रपरित्रात्रे गुरुपाखण्डखण्डकाय गीतसाराय गीततत्त्वाय गीतगोत्राय धीमहि गूढगुल्फाय गन्धमत्ताय गोजयप्रदाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
Academic year 2025-26. It gives me an immense pleasure to present the annual report of our plea school for the academic year 2025. This year has been a joyful journey filled with learning, laughter and lots of little achievements at our plea school. We well believe that every child is special and we focus on developing them through fun-filled activities and meaningful experience. This is the first day of school. Our little ones began their journey with smile, excitement and new friendship. Orientation helps parents with children feel comfortable and confident about the new start, which was conducted at school by Mallar Ma'am. Fun room memories. Our ES kids enjoyed learning through play and joyful classroom moments. Sponge dabbing was a fun activity that boosted creativity and fine motor skills. Our EJ children explored, learned and enjoyed every day with enthusiasm. Nursery kids showed wonderful growth in confidence and participation. Our playgroup children had a beautiful year, fun, learning, field trip. The ES field trip was an exciting experience filled with learning beyond the classroom. Nursery children enjoyed a safe and happy field trip with lots of curiosity. The EJ field trip gave children joyful memories and real-life learning. Our playgroup trip was a sweet outing where children explored happily. Takeaways: this year our children learned, grew and became more confident day by day. Father's Day was celebrated with love, smile and special moments. Janmashtami celebration brought color, culture and happiness to our school. Independence Day was celebrated with pride and patriotic spirit. Ganesh Puja was celebrated with devotion and joyful prayers. Dashera taught our children the message that good always wins over evil. Onam with grandparents was a heartwarming celebration full of tradition and bonding. Dan Utsav helped children understand the joy of sharing and kindness. Community Helpers Day taught children to respect and appreciate everyday heroes. Diwali celebration filled our children with light, joy and festive cheer. Karnataka Rajyotsav was celebrated proudly to honor our state and culture. Children's Day was full of fun, activities and special treats for our little stars. Red Day was a bright and exciting day where children learned through colors, theme activities. Blue Day helped children identify colors through fun and interactive learning. Green Day taught children about nature, plants, and the importance of greenery. Hawaiian theme party brought music, dance, and tropical fun to the campus. Fruity Fun helped children learn healthy eating in a colorful and enjoyable way. Jungle Safari Day was a thrilling adventure that sparked imagination and curiosity. Sports Day showcased teamwork, energy, and confidence in every child. Christmas celebration was celebrated with happiness, songs, and festive joy. Makar Sankranti was celebrated with cultural activities and festive spirit. Republic Day was celebrated with pride as we honored our nation and its values. To conclude this year has been a knowledge, but also in confidence and social skills. Let us continue to work together to give our children the best foundation for a bright future.
To arrange for spot printing pictures photo, please collect your photos from the.
Welcome to our annual day celebration. Are you ready for a fun journey? Let's welcome our little stars. Put your hands together for our playroom buddies.
Please welcome Aditri, Advik, Dhruv, Gania, Hazim, Janima, Krishna Singh, Mihika, Naina, Nihit, Sashwat, Pratna, Shanaya, Siri, Shibani, Vivan, Nivikshika, Jason, Shanaya Vazrani, Shasta and Varnika. Please come on stage.
You know your children better. If you feel like very hard, you can come over here as well. The respective parents, you can come over here as well to support them. That's completely fine, okay? Clap, clap, clap.
बार मिला दे यार मिला दे यार मिला दे हवा 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 खुशबू लुटा दे कहाँ खुली हाँ खुली दिल को बता दे अब उसका पता दे जरा मुझको बता दे मैं उससे मिलूंगा एक बार मिला दे यार मिला दे यार मिला दे
गोली सोडा बांट ली बंदे बुला काट ली हट से गुजार
Look who we are.
These dreamers remind us that change begins with us, and with the belief everything is possible. The world is changing and we must take a stand to protect our future hand in hand. Thank you.
ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಯಾರ್ದು ಇದೆಯೋ ದೇ ಆರ್ ದ ವಿನ್ನರ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹತ್ರ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಥವಾ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನೋಡಕ್ ಹೇಳಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ?
No cheating, okay?
Few mics please. You can inform to them. You don't need to come here. Yes, sir. 48, 20, 90, 87, 95. Who is 95? Awesome.
Only grandparents, okay?
96.
Only
Sir,
grandparents.
only grandparents can tell now.
No
okay?
cheating, okay?
63. Awesome. 100. Seriously. Big round of applause for Madam Tripathi.
ತಂದೆ ನೀನು ತಾಯಿ ನೀನು ಬಂಧು ನೀನು ಬಳಗ ನೀನು ಎನಗೆ ನೀನಲ್ಲದೆ ಮತ್ತಾರು ಇಲ್ಲವಯ್ಯ ಕೂಡಲ ಸಂಗಮ ದೇವ ಹಾಲಲದ್ದು ನೀರಲದ್ದು ಶರಣ ಸತಿ ಲಿಂಗಪತಿ ಕೂಡಲ ಸಂಗಮ ದೇವಾಯ ನಮಃ ಗಜವದನ ಬೇಡುವೆ ಗೌರಿ ತನಯ ಗಜವದನ ಬೇಡುವೆ ಗೌರಿ ತನಯ ತ್ರಿಗಜ ವಂದಿತನೆ ಸುಜನರ ಪೊರೆವನೆ ತ್ರಿಗಜ ವಂದಿತನೆ ಸುಜನರ ಪೊರೆವನೆ ಗಜವದನ ಬೇಡುವೆ ಗೌರಿ ತನಯ ಗಜವದನ ಬೇಡುವೆ ಪಾಶಾಂಕುಶಧರ ಪರಮ ಪವಿತ್ರ ಪಾಶಾಂಕುಶಧರ ಪರಮ ಪವಿತ್ರ ಮೂಷಕ ವಾಹನ ಮುನಿಜನ ಪ್ರೇಮ ಮೂಷಕ ವಾಹನ ಮುನಿಜನ ಪ್ರೇಮ ಗಜವದನ ಬೇಡುವೆ ಗೌರಿ ತನಯ ಗಜವದನ ಬೇಡುವೆ ಮೋದದಿಂದಲಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಪಾದವ ತೋರೋ ಮೋದದಿಂದಲಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಸಾಧು ವಂದಿತನೇ ಆದರದಿಂದಲಿ ಗಜವದನ ಬೇಡುವೆ ಗೌರಿ ತನಯ ಗಜವದನ ಬೇಡುವೆ ಸರಸಿ ಜನಾಭ ಶ್ರೀ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ಸರಸಿ ಜನಾಭ ಶ್ರೀ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ನಿರುತದಿ ನೆನೆವಂತೆ ನೀ ದಯ ಮಾಡೋ ನಿರುತದಿ ನೆನೆವಂತೆ ನೀ ದಯ ಮಾಡೋ ಗಜವದನ ಬೇಡುವೆ ಗೌರಿ ತನಯ ಗಜವದನ ಬೇಡುವೆ ಗಜವದನ ಬೇಡುವೆ ಗಜವದನ ಬೇಡುವೆ ಗೌರಿ ತನಯ.
ಬಹಳ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತಮ್ಮ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಅ ಲಾಟ್ ಮಲಪ್ರಭಾಜಿ ಫಾರ್ energetic performance. Thank you so much. It was completely divine. Thanks, ma. Over to you, miss.
Now please meet children from playgroup Believe in Dream and a Happier World. Put your hands together and please welcome Harshvardhana, Ishan, Naira, Arav, Anaira, Navya, Rudran, Devish, Krishna, Rugved, Chiranjeev, Takshvi, Pranay, Vyom, Vihan and Vyan. Clap for them. Please come on the stage Harshvardhana, Ishan, Naira, Arav, Anaira, Navya, Rudran, Devish, Krishna, Rugved, Rajveer, Chiranjeev, Takshvi, Pranay, Vyom, Vihan and Vyan.
Báilame como si fuera la última vez y enséñame ese pasito que no sé, un besito bien suavecito, bebé. Taqui, 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 rumba. Báilame como si fuera la última vez y enséñame ese pasito que no sé, un besito
दिवाली जैसे धूल उड़ा के सीन उड़ा के तुम भी नाचो बाजे चल के ताल ढोल बेटा राजू उड़ के नाचो हीरो से भी तेज कोई कर सके जो बेद नाचो अस्तबल में घोड़े जैसे पाक चोर छोड़ नाचो मिट्टी जो तो रोट मोटा मिर्चा खा के ऐसे नाचो आजा छोरे आजा गोरे आजा छोरे नाचो 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 वीर नाचो 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 यार नाचो 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 बच्ची मेरी जैसा करता नाचो 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 पिछू काटा लागे ऐसा नाचो
That was a wonderful performance by our little star. Parents, please applause for our children with the love and appreciation. Thank you.
We request all respective parents supposed to come on the stage so that we can take a group picture. The kids who are dancing, their respective parents, please come on the stage. Mothers fill out our lives with love, care, and endless sacrifice. Today, they will express their love not only with words, with their dance. So, big round of applause for their dance, please. Let's welcome all our wonderful mothers with big round of applause. Thank you.
Nature is everywhere. In the trees, ocean, sky, or smiley face. Red clap for our nursery buddies.
Our next performance is full of energy. Ritesh, Adrit, Abu, Anahita, Tanvik, Devik, Ishan, Ilana, Jian, Jwala, Kiansh, Purvi, and Darushi.
Comme d'habitude on est calé, comme toujours ça va aller. On te met l'ambiance à gogo, tous ensemble on fait le show. On t'invite à la magie, y a pas de raccourci. Oublie tes soucis, c'est bien faire la folie. On t'invite à la magie, y a pas de raccourci. Oublie tes soucis. Oh, 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 oh.
ಬೇಗು ಹಬ್ಬ ಯಾಹೂ ಯಾಹೂ ಇಂದು ಬಾನಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹಬ್ಬ ಗಾಳಿ ಗಂಧಕ್ಕೂ ಹಬ್ಬ ಇಂದು ಭೂಮಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹಬ್ಬ ಪುಷ್ಪಕುಲಕ್ಕೂ ಹಬ್ಬ
देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई हे देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई बारिश है या आसमान ने छोड़ दिए हैं नल खुले कहीं हो हम जैसे देखे ये जहां है वैसा ही जैसी नजर अपनी खुल के सोच आओ पंख जरा फैलाओ रंग नए दिखराओ चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले
Lovely performance by our nursery children. Let's appreciate them with a great round of applause, please. Now I would request another batch of nursery children to perform here. Our students are Adityan, Arna, Adrika, Agastya, Atmika, Devanshi, Yanesh, Mauneesh, Pradyumna, Prakul, Sadvika, Vedant and Vian.
Congratulations, Janu. Hira Jangi ne badale di Janu. Idiye ya beauty. Manu. Devare, ಇವಳು ಚಂದಿರನ ಕೊನೆ ಮಗಳೇ. ದೇವರೇ, ಇವಳು ಇಂದಿರನ ಊರಿನವಳೇ. ಬ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಬಂಗಾರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಬಂಗಾರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಬಂಗಾರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಬಂಗಾರಿ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಕಣ್ಣೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡುತ್ತು ತೋರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಬಂಗಾರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಬಂಗಾರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಬಂಗಾರಿ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ ಮಗಾರಿ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಅಟೂರಿ ಗೋಲ್ಡನ್ ಬಾರಿ ತಟ್ಟಿ ಬಂಗಾರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಬಂಗಾರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಬಂಗಾರಿ
Zooby dooby pampa, zooby dooby parampa, zooby dooby nache क्यों पागल stupid mom.
Zooby dooby pampara, zooby dooby paramba. Zooby dooby nache, you pago stupid man.
शखों पे पत्ते गा रहे हैं पुलों पे भंवरे गा रहे
दीवानी किरणे गा रहे हैं ये पंछी गा रहे हैं
वो बगिया में दो फूलों की हो रही है गुफ्तगू जैसा फिल्मों में होता है हो रहा है हूबहू
ay 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 zooby dooby pampara, zooby dooby paramba.
Zooby dooby nache क्यों पागल stupid man.
राजमणि రాజమండ్రి రాగమంజరి మాయమ్మ పేరు తలవనోడు పేరు మెసిరి కళాకారుల ఫ్యామిలీ మరి నే గచ్చ కడితే నిద్రపోదు నిండు రాత్రి
కుర్చీని మార్చబెట్టి ఆ కుర్చీని మార్చబెట్టి
first sample song. What needs to be done? They're asking what needs to be done. When some dance comes, what we will do? Right. That's the first stage of dance. Next level will come. The twist is there in the game. Okay, stop the music please. Stop the music please. Music is coming. When it stops, you need to be on the paper only. If you are outside the paper, you are out of the game. If you are outside the paper, you are out of the game. Okay? Am I clear? There will be multiple rounds actually. Yes. See, when the music is happening, you can dance anywhere. Okay? Then, see, second round, the space will become lesser and lesser. You need to plan. The last couple who will be on the stage, they are the winners. And everyone please, once your round is done, please be here only. We have a small goodie as well for all the participants. Okay. Is it clear or do you have any question? First round it will be easy. Just dance and once the music is over, come on the paper.
Music on, start.
Yes, we will inform you. We will tell the instructions as and when. Okay. So there is a twist in the game. Let's see, is everyone on? Only this is the first round. You need to cover everything over there. Okay, that's great. That's great. That's great. We are going for the next round. Please make it half. Whatever it is, the paper, make it half. Make it half. Paper itself. Okay. So from this round, we clearly say, yes, this is done. Whoever is going for the next round, we will be looking at it. Please stand on the papers. Music, please. Paper only, on the paper itself. Awesome. I really enjoy this couple dancing over here. Thanks a lot, sir, for your participation. Yes, it's out of the paper. You need to, yeah. Okay. Everyone, for everyone. Okay. Sir, this is the last warning. You can't be out of the paper. Just try like this. Out of the Stop. Okay. Now, again, make it smaller. Make it smaller. Half of it. Awesome. It's possible if you think. See, you can lift her or she can lift you. So these kind of things can be done. All the best. One leg. Be creative, parents. Awesome. Thank you. We love your energy. Ooh, yeah. That's it. For the sake of star, one big round of applause, please. Awesome. Good going. Stop the music. Yes, we are going for the next round. See, we are not eliminating here anyone. The reason behind it is a fun game. It is not to compete with any other. It is to enjoy as a couple, right? Hope you all are enjoying. Awesome. Thanks a lot for the very, very energetic vibe. All the best. This will be the last round. This will be the last round, sir. Yes. This is completely fine. You enjoy the game. Yeah. This will be the last round. Big round of applause, please. Support. Wow. Stop the music. We have a goodies for all the parents. Thanks a lot. It's a very, very energetic performance. Thank you so much. We love you. Please be on the stage. You'll be getting the goodies. Sir, please be on the stage. You'll be getting the goodies, please.
Thank you, parents, for your lovely participation. You truly made this moment memorable. Thank you once again. Thank you, parents. Today, we present a small skit that shows how our earth is getting hotter day by day and how our actions are affecting nature and our future. A big welcome to our Euro Junior and Euro Senior students, Adam, Rajvi, Chaitrika, Yashvik, Ahayan, Chirayu, Gyanit, Ira, Venappa, Nandan, Sai. Let's watch and learn together. Please welcome our children.
Why it is so hard? Why is this so hard? I'm feeling tired. Why it is so heat? Why it is so heat? Why it is so hot?
I think the AC is not working.
Why this feeling? I am Chan. I give light to everyone. I am very hot. Why it is so hot? Why it is so hot? We cannot play. Hot. Hot. The sun is very hot. No parts. I am thermometer. The temperature is getting up, 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 up. Why? It's getting hotter. It's getting hotter. I am cloud. I bring rain, but I'm tired. No rain. We need rain. Please rain. I am your earth. I feel hot. I feel pain.
The earth is asking us to stop, think and act. Trees and reduce plastic. Our little ones are ready to lead the way. So, thank you dear children for presenting such a wonderful skit and reminding us to care of our earth. So now we are ready. You can help, I can help, and we all can help.
Awesome. Thanks for the wonderful message given. Now the next segment is fun quiz. We request around 10 volunteers to please come over here. 10 volunteers. This is fun quiz. You'll be asked a few questions. If you answer, you are the winner. Can we request around 10 parents to come over here?
I can see Hazim parent, Devanshi parent, Krishna
Thank you.
parent. Please come on stage.
You can come on the stage.
Just 1 minute activity, please.
Feel free. This will be fun game and this is your celebration. Please come.
Yes. Please burn some calories. We have organized for lunch as well.
Ready? So you have to guess the movie name in Hindi or Kannada it might be. Heart wants. Heart wants.
Awesome. Here's the answer. Heart wants.
Dil chahta hai.
He also do.
Correct.
Awesome.
Dil chahta hai.
Thank you.
Maze.
Maze.
Correct. Wonderful
Awesome.
parents.
Congratulations.
Bul bulaiya. My friend is getting married. Super. That means
Awesome.
you all watch movies. Okay. Love and Earth.
Love and art.
Love and Earth.
Is it Kannada or Hindi?
It's Kannada.
Kannada.
Love Earth. Yeah. Is that wonderful?
Prema Loka.
Correct. Big House Son. Kannada movie. Correct.
Dodda Mane Huduga.
Close friend.
Close friend.
Kannada. Aptavitra. Correct.
Apta Mitra. Nice.
Somewhere behind seven seas.
Sapta Sagara
Wonderful
Dache.
parents. That was an
Awesome.
awesome participation of all the parents.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Congratulations and thank you everyone for the active participation. Thank you.
Thank
Next
you
we
so
are going
much,
to the
guys.
next segment. Waka Waka.
bodies are all set to rock the stage. Let's welcome our Ludo Junior bodies.
Parents, let's welcome Adam, Rajvi, Muni, Chaitrika, Ahyan, Yashvik, Isa, Hita.
Kids, Murgish Khan.
You're a good soldier, choosing your battle. Pick yourself up and dust yourself off and back in the saddle. You're on the front line, everyone's watching. You know it's serious, we're getting closer, this isn't over. The pressure's on, you feel it, but you got it all, believe it. When you fold it up, and if you fold it up, cause this is Africa. This time for Africa. Listen to your God, this is our motto. Your time to shine, your winning line, people are raising their expectations. Go on and be, and this is your moment, no hesitation. Today's your day, feel it. You pave the way, believe it. If you get down, get up. When you get down, get up. Hey, Tamina, Sangalewa. This time for Africa.
ಕನಸೊಂದು ಶುರುವಾಗಿದೆ ನಿನ್ನಿಂದಲೇ ನಿನ್ನಿಂದಲೇ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಂದು ಕುಣಿದಾಡಿದೆ ಎದೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಹಿಯಾದ ಕೋಲಾರ ನನ್ನೆದುರಲ್ಲೇ ಹೀಗ ಬಂದಾಡನೆ ನಿನ್ನ ತುಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಗುವಾಗುವ ಹಂಬಲ ನಾನಿಂದಲೇ ಹಾಳಾದ ನಿನ್ನಿಂದಲೇ 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 ಕನಸೊಂದು ಶುರುವಾಗಿದೆ ನಿನ್ನಿಂದಲೇ ನಿನ್ನಿಂದಲೇ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಂದು ಕುಣಿದಾಡಿದೆ
घोड़े जैसी चाल, हाथी जैसी धूम, ओ सावन राजा कहाँ से आए तुम? घोड़े जैसी चाल, हाथी जैसी धूम, ओ सावन राजा कहाँ से आए तुम? छक तुम छक तुम छक तुम छक तुम
कोई लड़की है जब वो हंसती है कोई लड़की है जब वो हंसती है बारिश होती है छनक छनक छन छन
कोई लड़की है जब वो हंसती है बारिश होती है छनक छनक छन छन कोई लड़का है जब वो गाता है तुम छक तुम छक तुम छक तुम अरे कोई लड़का है जब वो गाता है सावन आता है घुमर घुमर घुम कोई लड़का है जब वो गाता
That was a wonderful performance by Euro Junior. Hip hip. Hip hip. Hip hip. Thank you parents for the wonderful cheer for our Euro Junior kids.
The Sadbharat message to dance.
Please welcome on stage Chirayu, Ira, Venpa, Nandan, Sai and Yanit for the Swachh Bharat performance.
Dear fathers who are in the father's dance, please be ready. Next will be your dance. Swachh Bharat. Put your hands together for Swachh Bharat. Music, please.
ಸ್ವಚ್ಛ ಭಾರತ ಇದುವೇ ಸ್ವಚ್ಛ ಭಾರತ ಸ್ವಚ್ಛ ಭಾರತ ಇದುವೇ ಸ್ವಚ್ಛ ಭಾರತ
ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಹಳ್ಳಿಯಲ್ಲೂ ಸ್ವಚ್ಛತೆಯ ಗುಣಗಾನ
ಬಂದಿದೆ ನಮ್ಮಯ ಗ್ರಾಮಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಚ್ಛ ಭಾರತದ ಅಭಿಯಾನ ಸ್ವಚ್ಛ ಭಾರತ ಇದುವೇ ಸ್ವಚ್ಛ ಭಾರತ ಸ್ವಚ್ಛ ಭಾರತ ಇದುವೇ ಸ್ವಚ್ಛ ಭಾರತ
ನಮ್ಮಯ ಗ್ರಾಮದ ಜನರೆಲ್ಲ ಒಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬನ್ನಿ ಪರಿಸರ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಕನಸನ್ನ ಹಂಚೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ ನಮ್ಮಯ ಗ್ರಾಮದ ಜನರೆಲ್ಲ ಒಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬನ್ನಿ ಪರಿಸರ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಕನಸನ್ನ ಹಂಚೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ
ಮನುಕುಲದ ಸ್ವಾಸ್ಥ್ಯವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಗಮನಿಸಬೇಕು ಇನ್ನು ಸ್ವಚ್ಛತೆಯೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಮೂಲ ಮಂತ್ರ ಎಂದು ಸ್ವಚ್ಛ ಭಾರತ ಇದುವೇ ಸ್ವಚ್ಛ ಭಾರತ ಸ್ವಚ್ಛ ಭಾರತ ಇದುವೇ ಸ್ವಚ್ಛ ಭಾರತ
ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಹಳ್ಳಿಯಲ್ಲೂ ಸ್ವಚ್ಛತೆಯ ಗುಣಗಾನ
ಬಂದಿದೆ ನಮ್ಮಯ ಗ್ರಾಮಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಚ್ಛ ಭಾರತದ ಅಭಿಯಾನ ಸ್ವಚ್ಛ ಭಾರತ ಇದುವೇ ಸ್ವಚ್ಛ ಭಾರತ ಸ್ವಚ್ಛ ಭಾರತ ಇದುವೇ ಸ್ವಚ್ಛ ಭಾರತ
ನಿಸರ್ಗ ದೇವತೆ ನಗು ನಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದರೆ ಭುವಿಯೇ ಸ್ವರ್ಗವೆಯನ್ನಿ ಮಹಾತ್ಮ ಗಾಂಧಿಯ ಕನಸನ್ನ ನನಸಾಗಿಸುವ ಬನ್ನಿ
ನಿಸರ್ಗ ದೇವತೆ ನಗು ನಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದರೆ ಭೂಮಿಯೇ ಸ್ವರ್ಗವೇ ಎನ್ನಿ ಮಹಾತ್ಮ ಗಾಂಧಿಯ ಕನಸನ್ನು ನನಸಾಗಿಸುವ ಬನ್ನಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸೋಣ ಸ್ವಚ್ಛ ಭಾರತ ಎನ್ನುವ ಅಭಿಯಾನ ಇರಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಮನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮದು ಎನ್ನುವ ಅಭಿಮಾನ ಸ್ವಚ್ಛ ಭಾರತ ಇದುವೇ ಸ್ವಚ್ಛ ಭಾರತ ಸ್ವಚ್ಛ ಭಾರತ ಇದುವೇ ಸ್ವಚ್ಛ ಭಾರತ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಹಳ್ಳಿಯಲ್ಲೂ ಸ್ವಚ್ಛತೆಯ ಗುಣಗಾನ
ಬಂದಿದೆ ನಮ್ಮಯ ಗ್ರಾಮಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಚ್ಛ ಭಾರತದ ಅಭಿಯಾನ
ಸ್ವಚ್ಛ ಭಾರತ ಇದುವೇ ಸ್ವಚ್ಛ ಭಾರತ ಸ್ವಚ್ಛ ಭಾರತ ಇದುವೇ ಸ್ವಚ್ಛ ಭಾರತ
ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊಳಗಿದೆ ಇಂದು ಸ್ವಚ್ಛತೆಯ ಕಹಳೆ ಸಾಗುವ ನಾವು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯಿಂದ ಸ್ವಾಭಿಮಾನದ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊಳಗಿದೆ ಇಂದು ಸ್ವಚ್ಛತೆಯ ಕಹಳೆ ಸಾಗುವ ನಾವು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯಿಂದ ಸ್ವಾಭಿಮಾನದ ಕಡೆಗೆ
ವಿಶ್ವ ಮಾನ್ಯತೆ ಪಡೆದಿಗಳು ಭಾರತ ಮಾತೆಯು ಇಂದು ಕನ್ನಡ ತಾಯಿಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನಾವು ಸ್ವಚ್ಛತೆಗೆಂದು ಸ್ವಚ್ಛ ಭಾರತ ಇದುವೇ ಸ್ವಚ್ಛ ಭಾರತ ಸ್ವಚ್ಛ ಭಾರತ ಇದುವೇ ಸ್ವಚ್ಛ ಭಾರತ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಹಳ್ಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಚ್ಛತೆಯ ಗುಣಗಾನ ಬಂದಿದೆ ನಮ್ಮಯ ಗ್ರಾಮಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಚ್ಛ ಭಾರತದ ಅಭಿಯಾನ ಸ್ವಚ್ಛ ಭಾರತ ಇದುವೇ ಸ್ವಚ್ಛ ಭಾರತ ಸ್ವಚ್ಛ ಭಾರತ ಇದುವೇ ಸ್ವಚ್ಛ ಭಾರತ ಸ್ವಚ್ಛ ಭಾರತ ಇದುವೇ ಸ್ವಚ್ಛ ಭಾರತ
Little hands can make a difference. Let us all promise to keep our surroundings clean and green. Clean India begins with each one of us. Wonderful children, please give a round of applause for the children from Eurosenia.
Adrit father, Arna father, Advik father, Advik Agarwal father, Chaitrika father, Gyanesh father, Jian father, Krishna father, Niviksha father, Purvi father, Pradyumna father, Prakul father, Rudran father, Shasta father, Sadvika father. Please come on the stage.
Thank you, Santosh. The names who announced here, if you are available over here, please come on the stage, please.
All the fathers, any father, please join.
If you are interested to join in the dance, please feel free to join.
Kyansh father, Chirayu father, Siri father. Nartana father.
ಪಕ್ಕ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕುಂತವನಪ್ಪ ಒಬ್ಬ ಗಂಡು ರೆಡ್ಡೆ ಇಲ್ಲದ ಏರಿಯಾದೊಳಗೆ ನಡೆದು ಬಂದ ಬೆಂಕಿ ಚೆಂಡು ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಪ್ಪನ ಕಂಡರೆ ನನಗೆ ಕುಂಬಳ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನುಗ್ಗು ಅಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ನಾನಿಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ
Thank you, DJ. You're not only the teacher, you are a DJ as well. Awesome.
ನನ್ನ ಡ್ಯಾಡೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕೋನಿಂದ ತಿಸ್ತಿದ್ರು
Maasum tu syaitan.
Oh, you love me, love you
Santosh, come on the stage, please. 4 steps, 2 steps. Awesome. Super. Thank you. Thank you. Stop the music, please. Thanks a lot for the superb vibes here. Yes, we request everyone. We are at the almost end of the program. Before the graduation ceremony, we request everyone to stand up once all are there for the national.
What a beautiful new beginning. Euro Senior Abhishekta Nandan, from playgroup.